my Superman. You are my shining star. Always been so great. So on this special day, we want to celebrate. You are my Guruji. You are so wise and strong. You loved and taught me what's right from wrong. That's why I love you, and I want to confide. I want to be like you, that fill you with pride. Love you, Papa. I love you, Daddy, for all the memories you gave to me. I love you, Daddy, and I want you to know I love you always, wherever I go. I love you, Papa. I love you, Daddy, for all the memories you gave to me. I love you, Papa, my loving Father. You were a teacher, principal and headmaster, a great MC, the best that there could be. Thank you for guiding me, making my dreams come true. Daddy, I'm grateful, and I'm so proud of you. Your words of wisdom and your loving care. Anytime I need you, you're always there. In our family, you are the leader. We break together and we stay together. I love you, Papa. I love you, Daddy, for all the memories you gave to me. I love you, Papa, my loving Father. I love you, Papa, my loving Father. Kush Pidaji Din, I love you, Papa.